Sí se puede. 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 Sí se puede.
Are you feeling the burn? Hey, everybody, I'm Mary Fitzgerald. I'm with Nurses for Burning. I am supporting it all. A lot of my nurses are supporting Bernie because he has the 3 C's. He is caring, he is compassionate, and he has community. He also believes in Medicare for all. He also believes in universal single health care payer. He doesn't believe in Wall Street or Goldman Sachs. He also we need to get the pharmaceutical companies who charge $1,000 a pill out of healthcare. The biggest debt that is rising these days is medical debt. Okay? Not only do people not have insurance, they are underinsured. Okay? We pay the highest amount for healthcare in the world. But they say, how are you going to pay for this, Bernie? This is pie in the sky.
Tax the rich.
It is not pie in the sky, because what is he going to do? He is going to tax the rich. He's going to tax Wall Street, who got away and who actually got us into this mess, and he's going to tax them so he can pay for these programs. Okay?
Tax the rich! 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 Tax the rich!
I'm a nurse in the Bronx. I'm a nurse in the Bronx, one of the busiest hospitals in the country. In the Bronx alone, there are 62 counties in New York State. The Bronx has the lowest healthcare outcomes. Why is that? Because people, A, do not have insurance, B, they are underinsured, or 3, they can't afford their deductibles. So they wait, they get sicker, then they show up into the emergency rooms, and they stay longer, and they inherit large medical debt. Okay? We need single payer. Okay, we need health care for all. Medicare for all. Bernie can do that. No, we see our patients suffering all the time. We see that they're being pushed out of the hospitals because insurance companies have asked them to say, get them out of the hospitals. They're not ready because they are very sick. Okay? So we need Bernie Sanders. He has spoken to us, and he speaks to all people, not just for people that are in corporate America or in the pharmaceutical industries or the healthcare industry. It's an industry. It's a business. We put our patients before the profits. That's what Bernie Sanders believes in. That is why Nurses for Bernie is
Not for sale! 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 People! Not for sale! People! Not for sale! Not for sale! Not for sale! Not for sale!
Mic check! Mic check! And I would just like to touch back up on the issue, because I'm going to be a future nurse myself. And I want to take care of the people in this country who are hurt, and I have a story to tell you. This is why we need single-payer healthcare. I personally know someone who died from hepatitis C because their medication to treat it was $90,000.
Wow.
Now, in this country, it's either you have the money to treat yourself, or you go in debt and either end up dead or in a casket. That's just how it works in this country. It breaks my heart that someone that I know died because they cannot afford their prescription medication because it's overpriced, The pharmaceutical industry is price gouging the people.
Yes.
And we need to stand behind Bernie Sanders
Yes.
and demand single-payer health care,
Yes.
which is cheaper because it gets rid of private insurance, premiums, co-pays,
That's right.
and deductibles. But they don't tell you that on the mainstream
No,
media.
they don't tell you that.
They'll tell you that we need to rebuild on Obamacare and we need because we can't dismantle and then like what is this nonsense that we hear? I mean, can someone please tell me? We need single payer health care for the people of this country. We need to take care of our citizens. And yes, one more thing. We do need media reform in this country.
That's right.
They keep us
That's one of
silent.
the most not touched on things because the media.
Tell the truth. 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 Tell the truth.
Mike
Tell the
check.
truth.
Mike
Tell
check.
the truth.
Mike check.
Check.
And one more thing. When Bernie Sanders is the president, the people are going to rise up. We're going to stand together and we're going to demand, like other things, a media that represents the people and not the corporate interests of this country. And one more time, tell the truth.
Tell the truth. Tell the truth. Tell the truth. Tell the truth. Tell the truth. Tell the truth. Tell the truth. Tell the truth. Tell the truth. Tell the truth. Tell the truth. Tell the truth.